Hello and welcome to the newsroom. I am Jerusha Amarigbo. The federal government says deadlines for the integration of subscriber identification models (SIMs) will be valid with valid national identification numbers (NIN) still stand. Director of Public Affairs of the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC), Ikechukwu Adinde, disclosed this on Wednesday in Abuja. This is coming against the backdrop of repeated calls for extension or outright suspension of the registration process due to the short time frame and surge in the numbers of coronavirus infections across the country. The Nigerian Navy has warned the Niger Delta militants to desist from acts that can destabilize the nation's fragile economy. The militants last week threatened to resume the attacks on oil facilities over what is called government's lackadaisical attitude to development of the zones. And the Navy is asking to have a rethink and told the path of dialogue or be dealt with decisively. Meanwhile, South House leader Edwin Clark is asking the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Godswill Akpabio, to stop his constant interference with the activities of Niger Delta Development Commission for effective performance and service delivery to people of the zone. The Abia State chapter of the Joint Health Sector Union and the Assembly of Allied Health Professionals have suspended the ongoing strike action embarked on since November 3rd last year with immediate effect. The council also directed her members to resume work today, January 14, 2020. According to the resolution signed by the Commissioner of Health, Joe Suji, and all chairmen and secretaries of the council, state government approved the total sum of 4 million naira as running costs for all the health authority secretaries and the 17 local government areas. It also agreed to involve Johesu leadership in the staff verification exercise of the Hospital Management Board and the Abia State University Teaching Hospital, noting that Johesu would have to recommence the strike with a 7-day notice should the government fail to keep its own part of the bargain. In the world of COVID, China has recorded its first COVID-19 death in 8 months on Thursday as experts huddle to discuss the worrying new strain of the coronavirus that's spreading rapidly around the globe. The gathering of Geneva and the World Health Organization Emergency Committee comes as their colleagues landed in Wuhan for a long-delayed mission to find the origins of the virus. Now, more than 91 million people have been infected, with almost 2 million of them dying, according to figures widely thought to be as estimated. In the world of business, the federal government has announced the commencement of the text booking on e-ticketing platforms of the Nigerian Railway Commission. Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amechi, who announced this via his verified Twitter handle, also stated that the government will fully inaugurate the service next week, which will begin from Abuja-Kaduna Railway route. Although he made no mention of the exact date when the service will be inaugurated next week, many of his Twitter followers expressed hope that the e-ticketing service will eradicate touts at train stations. In international, President-elect Joe Biden has nominated former UN Ambassador Samantha Power to lead the U.S. Agency for International Development. Biden also said he was elevating that role as U.S. aid administrator to be a member of the White House National Security Council. 50-year-old has served in the Obama administration as U.S. ambassador to the United Nations from 2013 to 2017. In the world of sports, Atletico Madrid announced the loan signing of French striker Moussa Dembele from Lyon on Wednesday. Dembele will join Atletico until the end of the season, when the club will have the option to buy him permanently for around 35 million euros. Atletico have paid an initial fee of 1.5 million euros after Dembele passed his medicals on Wednesday morning in Madrid. And that's all we have on our package. Many thanks for staying with us. I am Jerusha Amarigbo.